Hi, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go and welcome to Java programming tutorial. In the last video we have seen what is static variable, and in this video we will see what is static methods. What are static methods in Java? So static methods are nothing but a class level methods. They are specific to class and not the object, and they can be accessed using the object of a class, or without using an object we can directly use a class name and we can access the methods. So here you can see we have a static variable name and we have a normal variable name too, and we have a method which is static, and in this static method we are using a static variable and we are printing the static variable and we are changing the static variable. And here you can observe we have created two objects, and as print is a static method we can access or call it using directly the class name without using the object. And the first time when we call, the name value will be name and we are changing the value here. We are just adding one more name, appending. So in the second time we will get the value name here, and here we are adding one more name, appending. So like that all the latest value will be reflected whenever we call the print method. And the static method can be called using an object or by using a class. So let's see the output of this program. So as you can see, first the static variable is name. In the print method we have changed to this, and the next print call we will get the latest value and we will change that value. So here you can observe the static variable is common to objects, common to any objects of the class, and common to class itself. So suppose in a static variable, let's try to use a normal variable, because this method is specific to class and we are trying to use a variable which is specific to objects. Let's try to print name2, which is variable which is specific to object. Then here we will get a compile time error, cannot make a static reference to the non-static field name. So here it's telling we cannot use a normal variables in a static method. So why? Because let's say if you call, so the static method can be called using directly the class name, but here we are trying to access a variable which is specific to object, so there is no meaning for it. Suppose if you call that method using the object, then it is meaningful because this name2 is belongs to this object one. But in the concept wise we can call the static method either by object or by class. So compiler doesn't allow to use a normal variables in a static methods. But if it is a normal method we can use a both variables. If it is a normal method, let's remove this static and let's use this method. Now you can see we can use both type of variables in a normal methods. If it is a static method we can't use non-static variables, and if it is a normal method we can't call by using a class name directly. We can get cannot make a static reference to the non-static method print. So it's saying print is not a static method. So this is the quick demo to show what is static method and what can be used, what variables can be used inside static methods and what cannot be used. I hope you like this video and understood what is static method. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.